Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen this week, there is a continuous downfall we have seen after making a high of around, you can say, looking at this particular chart, a level of around $3.1431. This is the high we have seen in the price of natural gas. After that it made a low of around $2.59. This is the low we have seen. This is the high and this is the low. Okay, looking at this particular chart, there is a clear pattern forming. There is a U pattern forming in this particular way. A opposite U pattern is forming in this way. Okay, as well as a small U pattern is forming in this. Looking at this particular chart, chances are very high that once the price started moving above a level of $3.053, a very further upside movement we can see, and chances will be very high. A further high we can see towards a level of $3.3, and if the price started moving up that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, you have to look at the chart after what happened after pandemic, that there was a good volatility we have seen. People has made very good profit at when the price was continuously increasing. This is where people had made very good profit. Okay, because see the range, it was moving slowly and then it was going very much high. After that, what I have told you, that whenever it is giving a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. See, look at this fall. Every time it was making a new high, and if you have seen my videos, okay, 2 years back or 1 year back also, you will understand that I have clearly told you that there is a probability that it can make a new high. It was creating a pattern. Even in crude also, you can check that videos, my videos, where I have told you clearly. Okay, and where when the war situation has come, that is where it didn't sustain. Otherwise, it was continuously moving upside. Okay, as soon as the price started going above a level of 3.6, we can see there will be a further of upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, as soon as the price started sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we will see it will cross a level of $2.7816. Okay, and $2.7816 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it will touch a level of around $3.0062. Okay, and once the price started moving above 2.7816, it will cross a level of $3.0062. Okay, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards 3.0772. As soon as the price started going above that particular zone, a further high we can see, and from there a probability of going towards $3.378 after crossing a level of 3.77. If the price started going up that particular zone, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 3.5876. Okay, and if it started going up that level, a further upside movement we can see towards $3.6802. Okay, if the price started going above a level of $3.5876, we will see a level of 3.6802. Okay, and if started going above that level, a level of around 3.6, we will see a further upside movement towards a level of $3.9522. Okay, if the price started going above a level of 3.9522, we will see this gap can be filled, and a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. And chances will be very high that once the breakout happens, because this level we have not seen since a year. Okay, so probability will be high that once the price started going up 3.6, chances of touching a level of 3.9 will be there, and a gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, and if started going above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further down, and yes, there will be a probability it can go towards a level of $2.590. Okay, and if the price started moving below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.540. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2.3518. Okay, and then from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.29. Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started moving below a level of $2.540, a further fall we can see, there is a higher chances of touching 2.2490, and if it started going below this level, we will see it will cross a level of falling below a level of 2.2, and once the price started falling below 2.2, we will see it will cross a level of $2, and it will touch a level of around $1.9168, and from there a level of 1.83210. It might feel repeated because see, The market is uncertain, so you have to remember, try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital, and if you are saving your capital, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, suppose if you are taking n number of trades, and if you don't have the capital, then how you will take the trades? So always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. And once you are in profit, try to trail your SL. If you are trailing your SL, will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, and if started going below this particular zone, a further fall we can see, and from there it will go towards 1.6 and then a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video,